Supercomputers. Supercomputers are incredibly powerful machines. They perform complex calculations much faster than ordinary computers. This video will explain what supercomputers are, how they work, and why they are important. Firstly, let's define a supercomputer. A supercomputer is a type of computer that has very high levels of performance compared to general-purpose computers. The speed of a supercomputer is measured in flops, floating point operations per second, which shows how many calculations it can do in a second. This speed is much faster than a normal computer. Supercomputers are made of thousands of processors. A processor is like the brain of the computer, doing all the calculations. In a supercomputer, these processors work together to solve complex problems. This is known as parallel processing. Imagine a big task being divided into smaller parts, and each part is solved at the same time by different processors. This is how supercomputers can work so fast. Now, why are supercomputers important? They are used in many different fields. For example, in weather forecasting, supercomputers can process vast amounts of data about the atmosphere. This helps meteorologists predict weather more accurately. In medicine, they help in researching diseases and developing new drugs. They can quickly analyze huge amounts of medical data. Supercomputers are also used in space exploration. They process data from space missions and help in designing spacecraft. Another interesting use of supercomputers is in the field of artificial intelligence, AI. AI involves creating machines that can think and learn like humans. Supercomputers are powerful enough to handle the complex calculations needed for AI. This is why they play a big role in developing new AI technologies. Building a supercomputer is very expensive. They require a lot of electricity and also generate a lot of heat. Therefore, cooling systems are essential. Supercomputers are usually kept in specially designed rooms with advanced cooling systems to keep them from overheating. The history of supercomputers is quite fascinating. The first supercomputer, called the CDC 6600, was built in the 1960s. It was much faster than other computers of that time. Since then, supercomputers have become much more powerful. The fastest supercomputers today can perform more than 100 quadrillion flops. That is incredibly fast. Countries around the world compete to build the fastest supercomputers. This is because having a powerful supercomputer is seen as a sign of technological advancement. Supercomputers are also important for national security. They are used in simulating nuclear tests and in cryptography, which is the practice of secure communication. Despite their power, supercomputers do have limitations. They are not suitable for everyday tasks like browsing the internet or word processing. This is because these tasks do not require the kind of power that supercomputers have. Also, supercomputers are not yet able to perfectly simulate human intelligence. This is a field where there is still a lot of research being done. In conclusion, supercomputers are extraordinary machines. They play a crucial role in various scientific fields, from weather forecasting to artificial intelligence. The development of supercomputers has been a significant part of technological progress. While they are not used for everyday tasks, their ability to process vast amounts of data and perform complex calculations makes them invaluable for research and development. As technology continues to advance, we can expect supercomputers to become even more powerful and play an even bigger role in our world.